Hi, I'm Michelle from Muskegon Area District Library. Today I'd like to show you our Dig It Up Wild Animal Take It, Make It kit. With this kit you're going to get a set of instructions that are really very simple. These instructions on the outside will tell you to open up your bag and you'll find the real instructions on the inside. In there you will find that you need to take out your pod and you're going to put it in water. So let's try this here. We're going to set it in there. You don't have to use a pitcher. You can use a smaller container. I just wanted you to be able to see that. And then once it sinks, which it's not doing yet, but once it sinks, you're going to let it sit for 3 minutes. Now, we'll just let this sit for 3 minutes and then we'll get to work. So it's been about 3 minutes, so we can do the next step, which is to take this out of here. And we'll just move the water out of the way. And be sure that you've covered your work surface with paper towel, newspaper, anything, because it does get a little messy. In the bag that the pod came in, you also got a little chisel. And with the chisel, you're going to take it and just start digging away and see what kind of animal you have inside. If you wanted to know what animal you might get, if you open up the instructions that were on the outside of the bag, you will find an excavation guide, and in there it lists all the animals that could be inside your pod. So let's see, we'll just keep digging away here. And it does get messy. Oh, I see part of a leg, I think. Oh, yes. Well, I was kind of hoping I would get a parrot, but there's a leg, so I'm pretty sure it's not a parrot. There's another leg. It's looking a little orange or maybe yellow, so I'm not sure what it is yet. But it's definitely not a parrot. It's not a panda or hippopotamus. It's not an elephant. I think I'm going to have to turn this over and start from the back side here. There we go. Oh, there's a big chunk coming off. Oh, I think I know what it is now. It is kind of orangey yellow and it has spots. So let's see here. And inside your pod you are going to find some kind of animal, and I have found a leopard in mine. We're going to have more Take It, Make It craft kits this summer, as well as other programs that will be live on Zoom. So be sure you check out our calendar at MADL.org and see what kind of fun programs we have. The Zoom programs you do need to register for, so be sure you do that. And be sure you're registered for our summer reading program because we have some fabulous prizes this year. You're going to want to get your name in those drawings for those big prizes. And the more you read, the more often your name will go into the drawings. For more fun programs, check out the MADL.org calendar and watch our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. Have a great summer.